Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. We are very happy to see you here. And today we're gonna talk about some good news for Theta and maybe some bad news for Theta as well. And we're gonna mention Bitcoin as well because it might affect what's gonna be happening in the near future. And let's go and jump into the video. And before we dive into the video, make sure you join our Discord group because we've been sharing here some potential trades that might be happening and some coins we think are going to be uptrending in the near future. It's for free, so you have nothing to lose. Okay, let's jump into the video. So I want to start on a monthly chart and just show you something that I'm finding on a monthly chart that I wanted to share. We had uptrend, then we had the downtrend. Here we had our indecision candle, and after that we went up. It's work as a reversal. As you can see, indecision candlestick can show us trend reversal. So we were going up. This is just a chart Euro US, just for an example. Going up, when we get this indecision candlestick, that the buyers trying to buy it up, the sellers trying to sell it down. Eventually, we end up not deciding on anything, and it started downtrend. So we had here just on the bottom, and we start uptrend. So this is very nice to see. Now I want to take a look at the weekly. So if you can tell from the beginning of the bull market of Theta, the uptrend of Theta. So usually, if we above the 21 EMA, usually it's tell us that we're in an uptrend and we're making higher highs, higher lows, which Theta been since here, the April 2020. And you see, we had this huge pump. When we were coming back, we did not touch the 21 EMA. So it looked like Theta don't really like to touch it too much. So it just floor above it. Then we saw once again, we went up, and when we were going down again, we did not touch the 21 EMA, which most of the coins do like to come back and touch, as well as Bitcoin. And here we see that we run up again for our latest run. And when we were coming back for where we're doing correction, again, we did not touch the 21 exponential moving average. And now we continue. There was a lot of chop going on here, and it was a couple months of just going up and down, and it looks like we're slowly trying to already push up and get out of this chop that is happening here. But again, we see that we kind of waited for our 21 exponential moving average to reach because we ran out so far from it, and now we probably able to continue going up. So, and as well, we've been talking on our previous video that what we want to see on the RSI, that we want to go above this 66 area that we seen that it was resistance at some times, then it was support. Then when we broke this support, we were talking that we saw some selling pressure, and now we just peaked above it, and we see we're right here. So we want to keep pushing and not just suddenly reverse and just go back under it again. So we want to stay above it, because every time we are staying above it, as we talked before, we see that we have very good gains every time we're above this area. Okay, and the concern about what might be happening, it looks like some kind of double top formation. And here, we yet to find out what's going to be happening here. So what we really want to see, us breaking this level of 77 cents and staying above it. This is very important to break it, go above it, maybe retest this level and continue going up. And what can really affect this in a strong way? Let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart. So if we're going to take a look at the Bitcoin chart on a monthly, we can see that Bitcoin just exploded, as you all know by now. I'm not the first one that bringing those news to you, but we ran up very far, and we're very far from the 21 exponential moving average. I'm not saying that it's time to go back, Maybe it is, maybe it's not. It's depend how we're gonna close this month. But if this month is gonna be closed and our candle will look somewhat like that, this is kind of will be a hanging man, which just I want to show you an example of a hanging man candlestick pattern. We see it at the top of the top of our chart, and it's usually called reversal. And then if we see that the next candle is closing is below this area, that means we're probably gonna see reversal happening. Again, we're still far from it, so we don't know if that's gonna be happening or not, but this is something to pay attention. This is on a monthly. If we're gonna go on a weekly, we are having something similar as well, that we have this hanging man candle for previous week, and now we really have to stay above it and continue going up. Or if we're gonna start going down and we're gonna close our candle below and we're gonna start maybe seeing a reversal. So if we are gonna see this reversal in Bitcoin, it's definitely gonna be affecting Theta as well, which we don't want to be happening, but this is just something I wanted to put on your radar, so it's not gonna be a surprise. But so far it looks like that we are fighting our resistance. We tried once last week. We're trying here again this week. And let's look at the daily. We see that we had here a very nice reversal candle. When we're going down, we had the reversal candle. The 21 exponential moving average, we stayed above it, we closed above it, and we continue going up. And now we're starting the second fight with this area. So we really need to see us breaking above it and stay above it. And hopefully we're going to continue our uptrend to this dollar target that we've been talking about a few videos ago. So this is just few things I wanted to mention to you and put on your radar. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We would love to see you as part of our community. And again, if you didn't like, you're very welcome to say, to give us a dislike, or better, give us some constructive criticism. Let us know, maybe you found something that I missed. And we're just here to help each other to do better decisions, because we're all trying to reach this freedom in our life by investing and putting our time in learning. And I'm trying to share what I learned. I know I'm not perfect, and I know that I cannot see always everything. So I really would enjoy if you're gonna give me also something that I missed, and we can help each other to continue learning and growing. We really appreciate your time. Thank you so much for joining us, and we're gonna see you in the next video. Adios.